My name is Sufyan Ahmed, and today's topic that I'm going to present is reengineering and legacy system. What is reengineering? Reengineering, also known as reverse engineering or software reengineering, is a process of analyzing, design, and modifying existing software system to improve their quality, performance, and maintainability. Why need of target system? We have a legacy system which is very vital for the organization. It has very large number of code at the end, fully documentation. But that is why we need to clear the direction, establish major objective, motive stakeholders, guide decision. Basically, the target system help us that the reengineering efforts are focused, purposeful, and aligned with the organization's strategic objectives. One need of the target system following are the thing that why need of the target system. It is clear direction, measurable objective, motivation, and buy-in basis of decision making, communication, transparency, continuous improvement. What are the general modes? So this is the model that we have used in the re-engineering software engineering process. It is basically start from the reverse engineering from the left side conceptual. We have a conceptual schema, then we move on, find the requirements. From that requirement, we get design, that implementation. Now we get the existing system. Through that, then we start recode, implementation, redesign, re-specify, thing that is called alternation, and that's how we get the target system, which is the process we also known as forward engineering and can be called refinement. So these are the configuration steps that we have used in our project. Number one, what are the steps? These are the introduction. We have the basic introduction of what kind of the leg system we have used, then scope, and then configuration management, configuration identification, status control, and role and responsibilities. After effects, what are the after effects of refactoring? It is code quality improvement, readability and maintainability, performance optimization, bug identification and resolution, testability and test coverage, team collaboration and knowledge sharing, agility and adaptivity. After applying the reengineering concepts on the customer module, well, these are the problems. We had the problem. What are the problems? Lack of the proper indentation and fermentation. Like they don't have proper indentation and fermenting in the code. Global variables like go-to variables and other variables. Lack of encapsulation. They're not present. The encapsulation and the poor naming convention. So these are the basically problems. Uh, so then we have updated that through re-engineering process when we refactor the code in the update order code. So these are the functions that we have been called. So this is the code that we have refactored, and of the customer we have basically four module: customer and admin, uh, main, and these are the improvement which we have our readability increased, encapsulation, and removed redundant variables that were not used. So admin and its list problem in the admin class. These are the problems in the admin class: lack of encapsulation, naming convention, node pointer, memory leak, incorrect delete, implementation, search function, file handling, hard code file. These are the code that we have factored for the admin module, and these are the improvement. After improvement, the issues that have mentioned earlier here have been eliminated. Now come the product module. So this is the product module. This is the code of the refactored code of the product module. So these are the improvements we have created. A product structure and encapsulate the product details. So these are the basically the problems: the lack of separation of concern, inefficient file handling, lack of error handling, poor naming convention, code duplication. So main function module have the following problems: modularize the module, separate the menu related code into its own function, use meaningful variable name, avoid using go-to statements, Use cases and object error handling, proper handle user input, remove unnecessary comment. These are the code of the main module that we have refactored. So these are the improvement like admin menu and customer function have been renamed to admin menu and customer menu, respectively the following convention names. So the readability can increase the go-to statement have been replaced with while and the main menu has been added option for the admin and customer section. So basically there is no section before, but after refactoring we add these section. So we want to add user login functionality in the target system because when we took the legacy system or register system, there is no add user the functionality. So we add that functionality later on. So this is the code of the refactor system. Thank you.